Hey guys, this is the second part of the lost and damaged passport video. The first part was regarding the requirements for the lost and damaged passport. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to apply for the lost and damaged passport. So you have to go to the website passportindia.gov.in. I will mention the website in the description below. Please keep in mind you have to go to portal number 3. Portal number 3 is for the people who are applying from abroad, and portal number 2 is for the people who are applying from India itself. The first step is to create an account on this website. So you have to click register, select the embassy. In my case, for this example, I have selected Munich, but you can select the embassy which is near to your location. Provide the given name and surname as per your passport. Write the date of birth. Provide the correct email ID. You will receive email from your consulate on the given email address. Provide the login ID. Provide the password. The password should be as per the requirement. Select the hint question and the hint answer. After this, you have to enter the character displayed, and then you have to click register. Once you have registered, you will receive an email on the email address that you have provided. You have to activate your account before using it. Click on the link in order to activate the account. Enter your user ID. Provide your login ID, password, and enter the character displayed. Now at this applicant home page, you can see different type of application forms. You have to select the apply for ordinary passport. In this, you can apply for the reissue of a lost or a damaged passport. Select reissue of a passport and select the reissue reason. In this, I am selecting damaged passport. Type of application is normal, and the passport booklet size is of 36 pages. You can apply for Tatkal also, but you have to first check whether the embassy is able to provide that service or not. So please confirm your embassy before applying for Tatkal. Now, on this application form for ordinary passport, please provide the details. Here, I will provide information as an example. Provide the given name, surname, select the gender, male. If you have any alias name, in my case, I do not have any alias name. Select the date of birth, the place of birth. Is your place of birth out of India? In my case, it's no. I will select the state and the district. I will write the metro status as single and citizen of India by birth. You can write your PAN number and your voter ID if you wish. Select the employment type. In my case, it is private as I'm working in a company. Select the education graduate and above. In my case, I am master's. So, is your parents or spouse a government servant? In my case, it's no. Is the applicant eligible for a non-ECR category? As I'm graduated and I'm not an illiterate person, so in my case, I will select yes. You can also mention your Aadhaar number if you want. Now you have to provide your family details. Here I will just provide an example for the family details. So provide your father's name, your father's surname, your mother's name, and your mother's surname. Please provide as per it is mentioned in your passport, in your older passport. Click next. Now here you have the option, is your passport printable address out of India? You can select yes and select the country, Germany. The address you will provide here will come on the passport. Here I'm just giving an example for the address. In the other address details, I will select no and in this I will provide my address of India, because here I have to select the police station also, because in the end there will be a police verification and they will come to your home to verify your residency. So here in this example, I will change the current address details for the printable address to my Indian address as an example. Now this pop-up is just asking whether you have sufficient proof for your current address proof or not. In my case, I have provided my Indian address because I have electricity bill and other details in order to prove for the police verification in India. Now you have to provide the emergency contact details. Please provide your home address and your parents' mobile number and telephone number. Here you have to provide previous passport details, as we are applying for a damaged passport. So I believe we have the passport and we can read all the information like passport number, place of issue, date of expiry, and file number. These information are available in your old passport. Have you ever applied for a passport but not issued? In my case, it is no. I will click save and then select no and select next. These are the other details. In my case, I have selected no as there is no criminal case proceeding against me in India, or I do not have any warrant or anything in India regarding that. In my case, I have selected no. I'm not applicable to any of the given question. Please read the questions and then select yes or no as per your relevance. So, this is the passport preview. You have to provide the applicant's photo. It should be of size 52 cross 52 millimeter. Click next. Check the applicant form summary. Please go through it once before submitting the application form. Once you think everything is okay, then you can just select agree and then enter the place. Once you have submitted the application form, you can check it here after you log in. The ARN number is your passport application form number. You have to take a printout of this passport application form and send it via post to the consulate with the other required documents. Alright guys, that's all in this video. Please stay tuned to know more about life in Germany. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Until then, bye and take care.